Have you ever found yourself pondering the difference between duck eggs and chicken eggs? It's a fascinating topic and one that might have more to it than you might think. Eggs have been a dietary staple for humans for millions of years. They're a rich source of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive peptides. And while chicken eggs might be the most familiar to many, duck eggs represent a delicious and nutritious alternative. Duck and chicken eggs, at first glance, might seem quite similar, but when you crack them open, you'll notice the first difference. Duck eggs are generally larger, and their yolks are a deeper orange. This color difference isn't just for show. It signifies a higher concentration of certain nutrients. Duck eggs are particularly rich in folate, iron, and vitamin B12. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, while iron is crucial for the production of hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen from our lungs to our body's tissues. Vitamin B12, on the other hand, plays a key role in the normal functioning of the brain and nervous system. Chicken eggs, while smaller and with a lighter yolk, are by no means nutritionally inferior. They too are rich in protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive peptides. Chicken eggs, in fact, are one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which is necessary for bone health and immune function. Both duck and chicken eggs offer potential health benefits. Regular consumption can help prevent vitamin D deficiency and may even aid in weight loss. For pregnant individuals, eggs can provide important nutrients for both them and their babies. However, it's important to remember that eating eggs too frequently carries certain risks. The potential for salmonella contamination is one such risk. Hence, always ensure your eggs are properly cooked. This not only reduces the risk of foodborne illness, but also helps maintain their nutrient content. To summarize, duck eggs and chicken eggs, while similar in many ways, have subtle differences in their nutritional profiles. Duck eggs are larger, have a deeper orange yolk, and contain higher amounts of folate, iron, and vitamin B12. Chicken eggs, though smaller, are a great source of vitamin D and other essential nutrients. Both types of eggs can be a valuable addition to your diet, offering a range of health benefits. But remember, moderation is key, and always ensure your eggs are cooked properly. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not switch things up and try some duck eggs? Or if you're a chicken egg enthusiast, keep enjoying them, knowing you're giving your body a nutritional boost.